Welcome to Paint a Story, where imagination comes to life and every word creates a picture in your mind. A boy named Leo looking sad at his desk with many books. Meet Leo. Leo is a student. He wants to learn English, but he feels sad. Leo, English is too difficult. The words are long. The grammar is hard. I want to give up. Leo is tired. He wants to close his eyes, but suddenly, his computer makes a sound. Ding!
Hello, Leo. Why are you sad?
Leo, who is there?
I am your AI assistant. I live inside your computer. I am here to help you.
The AI appears as a friendly glowing light or a simple robot face on the screen. Leo is surprised. He looks at the screen.
Of course, let's start slow. Look at this picture. What is this, Leo?
Leo, it is a red apple.
Perfect. Now, let's make it harder. Tell me, what did you do yesterday?
Leo, yesterday, I go to the park.
Close. We say I went to the park. Repeat after me. I went to the park.
Leo, I went to the park. A montage of Leo and the AI laughing, looking at maps, and studying together. Days pass. Leo and the AI become great friends. Every day at 4 p.m., Leo opens his computer.
Good afternoon, Leo. Are you ready to learn?
Leo, why yes. Today, I want to learn about stories. The AI tells Leo stories about space, the ocean, and history. Leo listens carefully. He asks questions. He is not afraid to make mistakes anymore. Leo, thank you, AI. You are very patient.
I am a computer, Leo. I have all the time in the world for you.
Leo standing outside, speaking English confidently to a friend. 1 month later, Leo is a different person. He talks to people in English. He feels happy. Leo, I realized something. The AI is smart, but I'm the one who studied. Technology helped me, but I did the work.
Exactly, Leo. I am the map, but you are the driver.
Leo closes his computer and smiles. He is not a beginner anymore. He is a learner for life. That is the end of our story. I hope you liked Leo and his AI friend. Remember, learning a new language takes time, so be patient with yourself. Now, I have a question for you. Do you think AI is a good teacher? Write your answer in the comments below. I love reading your messages. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Paint a Story. Your support helps me make more stories for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next story. Happy learning and goodbye.